Is your alert system, for shift change, not working properly? Trust on Diponto solutions, and make your business more productive. Take a look how easy it is to program your schedules. To start programming, press the menu button. Then choose Options, Program 1. Switch up to 100 schedules per exit, starting at code 0. Now choose the trigger time. Enter the duration of the ring, in seconds. In this example we will ring a schedule from Monday to Friday. Real-time clock with thermal compensation for maximum reliability. Battery that stores the equipment date and time even in the absence of power. Two trigger outputs, with 100 times each, enabling the activation of up to 200 daily rings. External power source, which prevents electrical noise inside the equipment. The electrical installation is simple. We suggest a certified professional to ensure your safety. The equipment works as a switch, activating the schedules already programmed. Keep your schedules right, using Diponto motor sirens and Diponto school bells, to ring on time. DP150 and DP250 school bells. DP300 and DP500 motor sirens. DP1000 and DP2000 motor sirens. DP3000 and DP4000 motor sirens. Diponto Alert Systems.